How many of us know that there was a test match which was played for 11 days but still the result was draw? All 11 players of an entire team has got out for duck. Yes, you heard me right. Without further delay, let's get started. Hello viewers, I'm Nathan Rao. Today we are going to see 10 interesting and bizarre cricket records. At number 10. 762 chase and team ends up at 0. This has to go down as one of the weirdest records ever. So weird that I had to mention it alongside the list of international and list A records. This happened in Harry Shield, the under-16 school level tournament of Mumbai. Swami Vivekananda International School amassed 761 for 4 in return. Andheri Children's Academy got all out for just 7 runs. The most staggering thing was that none of the players could open their accounts and all the 7 runs came from extras. A weird disaster indeed. Number 9. Highest score in an innings of test match by team. This was one humongous record and was made by Sri Lanka against India in the year of 1997, which was played at R. Premdas Stadium, Colombo. India scored 537 for 8 and declared their innings. The virtue of hundreds from Sachin Tendulkar, Mohammad Azharuddin and Navjot Singh Sidhu. Sri Lankan batsman Sanath Jayasuriya scored 340 and Roshan Mahanama scored 225 to help their team for a record of 952 for 6. However, the match result was draw. Sanath Jayasuriya was declared as player of the match. At number 8, most 5 wickets hauls. A highly regarded record and pretty easy to guess. This belongs to Sri Lankan ace, the master of Dusra, Muttiah Muralidharan, with 77 in all formats. More noteworthy is how distant it is from second placed Richard Hadlee with 41. The only bowler who seems to be claiming 5 wicket hauls at the rate is Ravichandran Ashwin with 30. But even he does not have age on his side and India has the privilege to leave him out of the team when touring. At number 7, most deliveries in an over. Pakistan is a place of really weird cricket records. A no ball or a wide is an illegal delivery and an over is complete only when 6 legal deliveries are bowled. Pakistan fast bowler Mohammad Sami has the unwanted distinction bowling the longest over in records, spanning 17 balls in an ODI against Bangladesh. Mohammad Sami bowled 7 wides, 4 no balls and gave 22 runs in that over. At number 6, highest 4th innings score. This took place between South Africa and England in 1939 at Durban. England were set a mammoth target of 696 by South Africa. However, the Three Lions scored 654 for 5 in the 4th innings, the highest ever till date, only for the match to be abandoned. This is among the most untouched cricket records till date. At number 5, most test matches played by any individual. Not many teams plays a lot of tests nowadays, especially with the advent of T20 cricket, and that's the only reason that this record will remain intact, at least in the near future, despite the increased level of fitness of athletes today. The Master Blaster Sachin Tendulkar is the only cricketer to play 200 test matches. The next best in this list is Ricky Ponting with 168 matches to his name. The player with the most test matches still active is Stuart Broad with 148 test matches. At number 4, fastest test century. Test matches have traditionally been slow affairs with batsmen taking their own sweet time. But aggressive batsmen like Virendra Sehwag and Brendan McCullum simply didn't take the orthodox route. For them, every ball was precisely an opportunity to hit boundaries. McCullum hit the record for the fastest test century in just 54 deliveries. The knock was made more special because of the fact that it had come in his last game against Australia at Christchurch in 2016. At number 3, slowest 50 in Test cricket. Test cricket is one of the slower games in modern sports. Players take their time to assess the pitch, settle down and play their strokes. Players like Virendra Sehwag are a welcome addition. On the same lines, meet Trevor Bailey. This England international scored the slowest half-century in 350 deliveries. Bailey ended up scoring 68 in 427 deliveries in this innings. This test was between England versus Australia, which took place on 5th December 1958 at Brisbane. At number 2, longest test match. This again goes back to the timeless test which was played at Durban in 1939. This is among the most insane cricket records you can come across. Impossible to be repeated in this age. Starting on 3rd March and going on till 14th March, it is the longest played test match on records. On the last day, England had to score 41 runs to win, but they would miss their boat if they did and the match was abandoned. This is the only game of its kind in the world and is also called the Timeless Test. At number 1, shortest test match in history. We did talk of longest test match, but what about the shortest one? This was the quickest test match win in the history of the sports. This happened during the South Africa tour of Australia in 1932. Australia scored 153 in 54.3 overs, and South Africa were packed up in the score of 36 and 45 in their innings. The duration of the entire test match was 5 hours and 53 minutes. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys like it. Please help me by supporting by liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel. See you guys in the next video. Until then, bye bye.